Hello students, the class for today is He's Really Handsome. Look at the picture and listen to the conversation and repeat, okay? Well, we have their people, for example, Britney Spears, Enrique Iglesias, Jim Carrey, Selena Gomez, Taylor Lautner, Jennifer Lopez. Now, you listen a conversation and practice, okay? Pay attention, please.
Jennifer Lopez. Look at this photo of Enrique Iglesias. Don't you think he's really handsome? Yes, but I think Taylor Lautner is the most gorgeous. No way! For me, Jim Carrey is the most handsome. Jim Carrey? Well, I think he's really funny.
Okay, now you need practice and repeat, okay? Pay attention. One more time, you listen the conversation.
Look at this photo of Enrique Iglesias. Don't you think he's really handsome?
Okay, look at this photo of Enrique Iglesias. Don't you think he's really handsome? Now continue.
Yes, but I think Taylor Lautner is the most gorgeous.
Yes, but I think Taylor Lautner is the most gorgeous.
No way! For me, Jim Carrey is the most handsome.
No way! For me, Jim Carrey is the most handsome.
Jim Carrey? Well, I think he's really funny.
Jim Carrey? Well, I think he's really fun. Okay, now practice at home. Okay? Now continue. Okay, students. In this part, it's necessary you listen and repeat. Okay? Pay attention, please.
Height. Tall. Medium height. Short. Eyes. Blue eye. Green eye. Brown eye. Hair. Long blonde hair. Short, curly, black hair. Long, wavy, brown hair. Bald. A mustache and beard.
Okay, students, that's necessary to practice. Okay? For example, we have height, tall, medium height, short. Okay? Remember this part. How about the eyes? Blue eyes, green eyes, brown eyes. Okay? Maybe black eyes, another color, red eyes, maybe. Okay, continue. Hair. Long blonde hair, long blonde hair, short curly black hair, long wavy brown hair, long is really long, bald, nothing hair, a mustache and beard. Okay, mustache. Very good. Now, work with your partner. Choose 4 expressions to describe yourself and your partner. Example. Okay, this is example. I have short blonde hair and beard. Okay, notice my case. I'm tall and I have blue eyes. Okay, this is example. Please describe you here and describe some person here. Maybe, I don't know, your mother, your father, your brother, or your friend. Okay? This is a little practice. And you need to write here the describe. Okay? Okay, now continue. In this part we have a conversation. Okay? That's necessary to listen the conversation and practice at home. Remember, pay attention the pronunciation. Okay? Okay, listen now.
What does your girlfriend look like? She's tall, and she has straight blonde hair and blue eyes. She's very beautiful. She always wears nice clothes and drives a nice car too. What does she do? She works as a sales clerk in a big store. What's your girlfriend like? Well, she is very smart and beautiful too. She's slim and she has long wavy brown hair. Oh, what does she do? She's a doctor.
Okay, she's a doctor. Okay, es una doctora. Recuerden que estamos hablando acerca de describir personas. Ok, en este caso, estos compañeros Pedro y Marcos están conversando acerca de cómo son sus novias, ¿cierto? Y una de las descripciones que dice es que ella es asistente de ventas y la novia de Pedro es doctor. Okay, now one more time, listen one more time and practice. And remember that pronunciation, okay? One more time.
What does your girlfriend look like? She's tall, and she has straight blonde hair and blue eyes. She's very beautiful. She always wears nice clothes and drives a nice car too. What does she do? She works as a sales clerk in a big store. What's your girlfriend like? Well, she is very smart and beautiful too. She's slim and she has long wavy brown hair. Oh, what does she do? She's a doctor.
Okay, now continue. Number 2. Answer the questions about the conversation. The first question say, what does Mark's girlfriend look like? Let me see. In this case, the answer is, she's tall, one more, and she's straight blonde hair, okay? And how about your eyes? Blue eyes. Okay, this is the answer in this case. We put here, she's, okay. Okay, we have the first answer. What does Mark's girlfriend look like? She's tall and she's straight blonde hair and blue eyes. Okay, now you continue answer all these questions. Only 5. Okay, only 5. What does she do? What's the other question? What does she do? The answer, she works as sales clerk in a big store. Okay, this is the next answer. Now you continue. Okay, students, now in this part that's necessary you listen the description and number the picture. Okay, listen, pay attention, only listen.
He is overweight. She is heavy. She is slim and fit. He is tall and well built.
Okay, you listen one more time.
He is overweight. She is heavy. She is slim and fit. He is tall and well built. Weight.
Okay, the number 1 say he is overweight. In this case, if you look at the pictures, he is overweight. Well, he. Okay, so we put here number 1. Okay, now second.
She is heavy.
Okay, number 2. She's heavy. She's heavy. I'm not sure. She is? No. Is he? Okay, so she's heavy. She's heavy. Number 2. Okay? Okay, now continue with another number.
She is slim and fit.
Okay, she's slim and fit. Logical. She. Okay? She is number 3. And the last, what is the last?
He is tall and well built.
He is tall and well built. Okay, in this case, he is tall and well built. Number 4. Okay, we have the answers. Continue. Okay, in this part we have listen to your teacher and study the charts. Okay? Describing people. For describe, we need all this information. General appearance, hair, eyes, age, and height. For example, for general appearance, we made these questions. What does she look like? Okay? For example, the answer is, she's tall with red hair, she's gorgeous. Does he has beard? Yes, he has a beard and mustache. Okay, this is general appearance. How about the hair and eyes? How long is her hair? Is short? Is long? Maybe. What color are her eyes? They are blue. Okay, they are blue. They are red. They are green. Another color. How about age? How old is he? How old is she? He's about 32. He's in his 20s. Okay. And how about height? How tall is he or how tall is she? He is 1.70 m or she is 1 meter, I don't know, 1.50 m maybe. Okay. Now, write the questions for these statements. Then compare with a partner. Okay? Write question for these statements. My brother is 34. What is the question in this case? The question is, how old is he? Okay, because here is brother. Another, she's 1.55 m. What is the question? It's about height. Okay, now you continue, please. Thank you. Okay, students, please practice at home and you write me so you have any problem. Okay, thank you very much for your participation. Goodbye.